everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the lock screen on your Android 14 phone. So to remove this, let's just first unlock it right now. And then go to the top right, scroll on down, go to settings. And on Android 14 on my Motorola phone, this will be located under security and privacy. It says device lock. Now yours could be located under like biometrics and password on the newest version of Android, or even lock screen on your Samsung phone. And then just go to device unlock right here and choose pattern screen lock type. And then just go to no security, or you can just do swipe no security. So I usually like this one. Now if I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can just swipe to unlock it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.